So let's say you have a place on your website where new customers can create an account, but existing customers can log into their account and see their information. But you want to have a page where new customers can create an account and then existing customers can also log in, but you want to have both actions on the same page. I'm going to show you how to set that up. So what you want to do is you want to come to your code files, come in here, type in login. And what you want to do is at the bottom here. So if you do a Control F, type in end form, it should take you to the bottom of the form because we want to be working in this form area. Now, the good thing is a lot of themes already have this set up to where you can sign in and create an account both on the same page. But I've seen a couple cases where the theme didn't have that. So I'm going to show you how to add that in if you don't already have that. So if you notice here, this link allows customers, this link right here allows customers to create an account. So if your theme doesn't have that, you can type this code in here. This is a link directing customers to the register page to create an account. So you can add this here. Now you notice that this is this customer.login.create an account. This will have to be added in your JSON file, but to keep things simple, you can also just type in here, if you like this, create. If you just wanted to keep things simple, you could do that. But whatever the case may be, that's that link that would link to the register page. And then of course you have a button for customers to log in. But you see how with this setup, you can have two different setups here. You can have login and you have create an account. Now, with this create account, it's going to take the customer to the register page here where you can make different customizations, different edits on how you want that register page to look. And then something else that you want to note is you on your navigation bar, you might have an icon or you might have a place for customers to sign in. Again, more than likely, a lot of themes already have this set up, but you want to make sure that the link that the customer clicks to register or log in, especially because you want both actions to be on the same page, you want to make sure that this link goes to that specific page that you're looking for so that customers can easily log in or create an account. Because at the end of the day, it's all about making it as easy as possible for customers to do whatever it is that you'd like them to do. So I hope this video was helpful to see a simple way of how to set this up. If you have any questions or if you need help setting this up, I'll be more than happy to help you out. All my information is down below. But I thank you once again, and I hope this